Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 6 6mm screws and 4 5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove the tape covering the battery plug and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and remove the battery. Replace the battery onto the posts and reapply the tape. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 6 6mm screws and 4 5mm screws into the bottom cover.